Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're at the Ansel. This is their one bedroom model. We're gonna do a quick walkthrough. It's gonna take a little over a minute. So let's take a look at it right now. It's super, super pretty. It's visually very pretty. You've got a lot of beautiful white here. You've got a really nice mudroom that's here, super gorgeous. There's a washer dryer behind there, by the way. This is the kitchen. The kitchen's just delightful. Look at the white cabinets, just the light that's here, the undermount lighting there. Really pretty island that's here. Look, it's got a gorgeous floors that's here. New appliances, just lots of lighting. It's really, really pretty. Here is the living room area. It's got a gorgeous flooring. I like the color of the flooring. Super pretty. It feels really chill and comfortable in here. And then here is the patio that's outside. That patio is gorgeous. So I sure love seeing that patio. This is the bedroom. The bedroom is here. That's a king size bed and it easily fits in there. Really pretty bedroom. It's got an accent wall. That's kind of cool. And then this is what it looks like in here. It's really attractive. The bathroom is also just pops. It's really nice. That's a pretty quartz countertop that's there. Beautiful bathroom. And then here is what the tub and the shower looks like. Just really simple but elegant tile backsplash, and then a huge closet. And I'm talking huge. This is huge. This is a very large closet. So this is what the quick walkthrough of this apartment looks like. I'd recommend to go ahead and tour this. It's gorgeous. The best thing to do is to set up a virtual tour. Send me a text. We can set up that virtual tour. It would be free for you. It'd be someone walking through like this, but actually showing you live, what's available. Send me a text. I'll set that up for you. It's part of our free, no cost, free service to take care of finding your best apartment here in the Dallas area. My number's below, and I look forward to hearing from you. Text me now.